It's nighttime here in Guangzhou, and I'm going to take you guys on a tour around the city center. The colorful streets of Guangzhou really give life to this city. You will be able to see how the restaurants, hotels and companies here all light up to show off their colors in the nighttime. Guangzhou is only the third largest city in China, so you can only imagine how bigger cities such as Shanghai and Beijing are during the nighttime. Nighttime here in Guangzhou is really an experience of a lifetime. Let me show you guys. So guys, I am here at Canton Tower, the landmark of Guangzhou. Unfortunately, we cannot enter the Canton Tower because it has been completely closed off because of the coronavirus outbreak. In fact, all tourist attractions have been closed off for this time. As you can see here, these gates are very common here in Guangzhou, blocking off all of the tourist attractions. Once the Canton Tower is open to tourists, I will take you guys inside the Canton Tower and to the very top of the tower, where you can see an amusement ride and a fantastic view of Guangzhou. There is also a restaurant right at the top of Canton Tower, and I will take you guys inside there too. The tourist attractions are very restricted here in China at the moment, so we are doing our best to film videos at this time and to show you guys what it's like to live in China during this period. We have much more videos coming very soon across all of China. If you enjoyed this video, give us a comment down below, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay blessed and stay safe. Take care guys.